This is the brief on the What Went Well cards. We're wired to let a single negative comment ruin an entire day, but psychiatrist Dr. Phang Cheng Kar's Mindful Gym program offers a targeted tool to reclaim your agency. First, let's look at why one tiny mistake feels like it ruins absolutely everything. It comes down to a trap called global self-blame, driven by our brain's negativity bias. You know, the mind acts like velcro for negative experiences and teflon for positive ones. So your brain on a bad day is like a faulty search engine. It only shows you the one-star reviews and hides all the five-star moments. Second, because our brains naturally filter out the good stuff, we need an active tool to interrupt that cycle. Enter the 12 gratitude cards. Now, these aren't your generic think positive platitudes. Instead, the act as pattern interrupts, using targeted prompts to force your brain to spot specific wins, like being grateful for a mistake you actually learned from, or a colleague's small act of care. Finally, using these cards ultimately shifts your attention away from that feeling of total failure and directs it towards specific, constructive gratitude. The goal isn't toxic positivity. We're definitely not denying the bitter parts of your day, but rather actively correcting your brain's imbalance. Reclaiming a bad day isn't about magically erasing the negative, but consciously choosing to give the positive equal airtime.